Homesteader. I'm Mina, and today we're making cannoli dip.
That sounds great. You think you can do it? Are you nervous? You can do it.
I can't stop smiling.
Do you want to do the video?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you
Wait,
sure? Okay.
I can't stop smiling. I don't know what's wrong.
She's super nervous, but she wants to make the video. So we're gonna give her a chance. What are you scared for? They're all your aunties and cyber grandmas.
Okay, wait. Okay. Wait, let me practice one more time.
Okay.
Tell me when it starts. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to the Kneady Homesteader. I'm Mina, and today we're making cannoli dip.
Woohoo! Now, Mina, you just had your the first taste of a cannoli that you remember. It's hard to find good cannolis up where we live. Most cannolis, when you go to a donut shop or a bakery, they're made with like the like that sugar, like a sugar filling, and not the cannoli cream filling. But you had your first cannoli because we have a pizza place up by where Danny works. And Danny brought us home some cannolis, and it was delicious, right?
Yeah.
So we were inspired to make cannoli dip, right? Super easy. Perfect for the holidays coming up. So it's an early holiday video. So you might want to serve this at your Thanksgiving meal, right? Or Christmas parties or whatever you got going on. Simple ingredients. Should we aim down and show them?
Yeah.
Okay, what do we got here? Do you want to read it off here?
Yeah, we got 2 cups of ricotta cheese.
Right here. Okay, so here's the ricotta cheese. Now, our ricotta cheese came in a 15 ounce. If you can get a 16 ounce, that'll be perfect. You need 16 ounces, so we're going to be an ounce shy, but we're not going to open up a second container just for an ounce. So we're just going to roll with that.
We also have 8 ounces of cream cheese.
A brick of cream cheese. I would have preferred the Tillamook, but again, very hard to find up here. I can only get it at Kroger, which is about 40 minutes south from my house. So this is just from our local grocery store.
1.5 cups of
of powdered sugar?
Yeah.
Confectioner sugar.
Well,
which is
powdered
here.
sugar, yeah.
And then
1 teaspoon of vanilla.
1 teaspoon of, we're using homemade bourbon vanilla extract.
1 cup mini chocolate chips.
Yep.
And now that's easy.
And that's it, right? Okay, all right.
Sounds good.
So we're going to use our little artisan mini that my sons bought me one year for Christmas, because it's like the perfect size for something like this. And Mina's going to put it together, right, Mina?
Yeah.
All right. So we let our cream cheese and our ricotta cheese sit for about an hour on the counter. So it's a little bit warmer, but hold on, baby. You want me to move this?
Yeah.
There you go. All right, so she's going to put in her brick of cream cheese.
There you go.
Perfect. And then give you the ricotta cheese. And there's a spoon right behind you, baby.
Okay.
Grab that. And then go ahead and... Yep. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Beautiful, beautiful.
Try my hard to get.
You get out as much as you can, and then Mama will scrape the rest.
That's it.
All right, so here, hold on to that spoon, because I'll scrape off that spoon too.
Right.
Because we're already down an ounce, so we don't want to.
We have to get as much as possible.
As much as possible. All right, get the rest of that. All right, that's pretty clean. Okay. And then
This way.
Okay, now we're gonna put this back on. Okay, and we're gonna beat these two things together first. We're gonna go ahead and lock this. You wanna lock it?
Yeah.
Bring it forward all the way to where it says lock.
Right here?
Yep. And then go ahead and turn this on. Just do 1 speed at a time. Okay. Go ahead. Yep, there you go. And a little bit faster. There you go.
Ooh, looks good. Already looks like cannoli dip.
Get you in the bowl there. Let's see it. Okay, now what we're going to do, unlock this, and then we're just going to kind of scrape down the bowl just to make sure everything gets mixed in there.
So we've got to scrape down the mixer. Are we done mixing?
No, I'm going to give it one more mix here.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead and lock it. Go ahead and turn it on. There you go. A little faster. There you go. There you go. A little faster. You can do a little faster. This is the mini, so
Oh gosh.
it's not as powerful as my big one. Go ahead and shut it off.
So we're gonna
Nope, other side. That's the lock.
We have to
There you go, baby. Okay.
turn it off.
Now we're gonna go ahead and we are going to add the powdered sugar. So I'm going to, well, go ahead and I'm trying to think of what's easier for you. Go ahead and just add like a scoop or two of it in there.
One. Oh god, I got some.
It's okay. That's all right. Got it. And then we're going to add some vanilla, so we're going to give it a shake. And pop it open. Now you should measure this, but Mama's going to measure with love. About a teaspoon. That's probably a tablespoon, but that's all right. That'll be good. Okay. And then take off the alcohol. Alright, you want me to finish? You feel a little, you can do the chocolate chips. I'll do this part since this makes you a little nervous.
Because it gets excited for the chocolate chips.
You just add it when you see that the powdered sugar is mixed in there.
Right?
And that way it doesn't make a big mess.
Looks so good.
Looks yummy.
Yes.
Let me get the rest of it in here.
Dumping it all.
Okay. Let me get this. Now, if we have to adjust it and add a little more powdered sugar or anything, we can do that.
Ooh, looks good.
All right, let's taste it.
Ooh.
You want to taste it?
Yeah. That tastes
Is that
really
good?
good.
Does it need more sugar or is it sweet enough?
It's actually really sweet.
What do you think?
I like it.
That tastes good. Okay, now we're going to add the chocolate chips. Yep, I locked this right, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm going to take you guys off the tripod so you can see this a little bit easier. All right, a little bit at a time. Take your time.
Alright. Oh.
Nope, that's okay. You're good.
One more.
Excellent job.
Thank you.
I wish we could share it with all your cyber aunties and grandmas out there. Give them all a graham cracker to try it.
And then I think adding the rest
Yep.
is good. There you go. That's all the
You have a
chocolate
few.
chips.
Are you trying to steal those, Miss Mina?
No.
You're not? You could have those if you wanted. That's your tax.
Yeah.
That's your tax.
I love chocolate chips.
All right, that looks good. Okay, so now what we're going to do, I'm going to shut this off,
Ooh.
unlock it, and then,
It's actually going to be so good. Is this for dessert?
this is for dessert. We're going to do game night tonight.
Really?
Yeah, family game night. Unless you want to do a movie night instead.
No, I think game. Because we
Game?
haven't played a game
We haven't played it.
together
I
in
know
a while.
we haven't in a while, so that would be fun. So we're going to have tacos. Actually, we're having nachos for dinner.
Ooh.
And Miss Mina has requested Spanish rice.
Yes,
So-
because I love Spanish
Yeah,
rice.
so I gotta get Spanish rice going. And then we'll have this for dessert during game night. And eat it with some, let me put this in the sink. Eat it with some graham crackers. So, what I'm gonna do now is take this off. We'll take you over to the island and we'll give this a taste test. So, we're gonna get you a graham cracker here. Where's Mason? Want Mason a taste test?
Sure.
Oh, these are kind of, why do they always
That's okay.
break so weird? All right, so go ahead and dip. We'll put it in the fridge and let it firm up. But, what do you think? Good? Good? All right, so this is a winner. And this is easy, right? That was easy. You can put that in a cute bowl, like a little, I don't know, pumpkin bowl, Christmas bowl, however you want to serve it. But
Winner, taco dinner.
you've got a cannoli dip on your nose. I love you so much.
That's because it's so good.
Thanks for making a video with
You're
us.
welcome.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Are you still nervous?
No.
Not anymore? It's like family, right?
Yeah.
All right, you guys. I hope you give this a try. And I hope you like it. I hope Mina, you hope they like it too, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Bye, guys.